Ever wondered how C programming works? It's like a multi-layered puzzle, each piece fitting neatly into the next, creating the bigger picture. Today we're delving into the fascinating world of C programming, breaking down its structure into simple, digestible steps. Imagine a building. It starts with a blueprint, the foundation, the walls, then the roof. Similarly, a C program has its own structural components, each with a specific function. The first component is the preprocessor commands. Think of them as the blueprint, guiding the rest of the structure. Preprocessor commands start with a hash symbol. They instruct the compiler to process certain tasks before the actual compilation begins. An example is hash include, a command that tells the compiler to include a specific header file from the C library. Next comes the foundation, or in programming terms, the functions. The main function, aptly named main, is where the program starts execution. It's like the entrance of our metaphorical building. Within these functions we find variables and statements, the walls of our programming structure. Variables are the names you give to computer memory locations which are used to store values, while statements are instructions that perform a specific task. Then, the roof, the return statement. This signals the end of a function, returning control to the caller. In the main function, the return 0 statement signifies a successful program run. Now, let's look at the decorations, the comments. They make the code easier to understand but don't affect the functionality of the program. They are like paintings on the wall, adding context but not altering the structure. So, what's the key to understanding C programming structure? Remember the building analogy. Preprocessor commands are the blueprints, functions are the foundation, variables and statements are the walls, the return statement is the roof, and comments are the decorations. In summary, C programming is a structured language. It starts with preprocessor commands, followed by functions that contain variables and statements, and ends with a return statement. Comments are used throughout to provide clarity. Understanding this structure is the first step towards mastering C programming, a skill that can open up a world of opportunities. We hope you've enjoyed this journey through C programming structure. Remember, every great programmer started with the basics. Keep exploring, keep learning, and who knows, you might just build the next great software masterpiece.